Hello everyone, welcome back to Bytes of CSC. So in this lecture, we will be learning about how to change an infix notation to a postfix notation. So this is your infix notation, something we are very habituated to see, and this is your postfix notation. So basically we use postfix or prefix notations because that becomes easier for the computer to work with these kind of notation. They can work more efficiently and the processing of this notation or this expression is faster in postfix than in the infix notation. So first let's learn the basic rule of how to converting that. So there will be three data structures, that is three stacks will be needed in this case. One will contain the current symbol. Symbol means any operator or operand is known as symbol in these notations. So this will contain all the symbols, this will contain the operators, and this will contain the final postfix string. Now see the current symbol in this table be S, and if S is an operand, that symbol will be pushed to the postfix string. Now if S is an operator, we will need to push that to the operator stack. Now, there is a rule before we push anything into the operator stack. First of all, we will consider if the operator stack is empty. Now, if the operator stack is empty, we will plain push this S into the operator stack. Now, say the operator stack is not empty and it already contains a current symbol S, an operator S prime. So now we will be considering the precedence of operator S and S prime. Like if the precedence of operator S prime is less than the precedence of operator S. Now this P and this PS is known as a precedence. Like P of S prime means precedence of operator S prime. Now, while we consider the precedence, we will be following this BODMAS rule where B stands for braces, O means order or power of, D means division, M is multiplication, A is addition, and S is subtraction. So, braces has the highest precedence and subtraction has the lowest precedence. So, if we consider the precedence between say D and M, so precedence of multiplication, this is less than division. So this is how the precedence thing works. So this is how it works. So P of S dash, like if division is the symbol S prime and M is the symbol S, so we will say that precedence of M is less than precedence of D. Now there is a confusion regarding the precedence of addition and subtraction. Some say that precedence of addition and subtraction are the same. So I will ask you to check with your teachers that what they consider as the precedence between A and that is addition and subtraction. So now if precedence of the current symbol S prime is less than precedence of S, we will plain push S into the operator stack. If it is not so, like if precedence of S prime is greater than or equal to precedence of S, we will first push S prime to the postfix string stack. Next, we will push S. After we have scanned through all the operators which were present in the symbol table, if this now the table is empty, so next step will be to check the operator stack. If it contains symbols, it will, in all probability, it will contain symbols because it's a postfix string. We will push all the remaining all the remaining symbols into the postfix string. Now let us take an example. We will be considering two examples in fact. So this is your infix notation, A into B to the power C plus D. So let me just write the BOD, M, A and S. So first we will be writing down all the symbols from left to right, top to bottom. So A into B to the power C plus D. So the first symbol in this stack is A. A is an operand. So the rule is we will be pushing A to this. Next is multiplication and operator. So this needs to be pushed into the operator stack. Now operator stack is empty, so we can safely push multiplication over here. Next we have an operand B. Now B will need to be pushed to this part. Next we have to the power of operator or the caret, whatever you call it. So here this is your to the power of and this is your multiplication. So clearly this is less than this. So therefore we will be pushing to the power of to the operator stack. So operator stack now contains multiplication and to the power of. Next we have the operand C, and C needs to be pushed to the string stack, postfix string stack. Next we have operator, which is plus, and now this has to be pushed to the operator stack, but it already contains multiplication and to the power of. So the first this is the top of your stack, that is the rightmost symbol is the top of your stack. So now power of is the first symbol that addition encounters. So this is where the power of is and this is where addition lies. So clearly power of is greater than addition. So therefore we need to push the power of to this side. Now the stack contains multiplication. Now we need to consider the precedence between addition and multiplication. So this is your addition, this is your multiplication. Clearly this is greater than this. Therefore we will also push multiplication to this side and then we push addition to the operator stack. Next we have the operand D. Now D will be pushed to this side, and since this is empty now, we will check this part, check the operator stack. Operator stack contains addition which needs to be pushed to this side, and this is now empty, and this is your final postfix notation string. So let us take another example. So in this case I have already populated the current symbol table. So A into B braces B plus C into D braces closed plus E. So first is again an operand, so we push that to the postfix string. Next is an operator. This operator stack is empty, so we safely push this into the operator stack. Next is braces. Now again B O D M A S. So this is your braces which is here, and this is your multiplication. So clearly we will need to push the braces to the operator stack. Next we have B, which is an operand. So we push B to the postfix string. Next we have addition. Now addition generally lies here, but here the addition is within the braces. So whatever operator is within the braces will always have the highest priority over the remaining operators. So following that rule, addition has a higher precedence than multiplication, that is before the braces. So therefore we will be pushing addition to this side. Next we have C, which is an operand, and we will be pushing C to the postfix string. Next we have multiplication. Now multiplication stands here and addition stands here. So naturally addition is less than, precedence of addition is less than multiplication. Therefore we will be pushing multiplication to this side. Next we encounter D, which is an operand, and we will be sending that to the postfix string. And finally comes the close of this brace. Now we will not actually push this closing brace symbol to this side. Instead we will push whatever was present inside the braces into this side. So first the top of the stack contains this multiplication, because the rightmost symbol will be the top of your stack. So first multiplication is pushed, then is addition, and this is plain disregarded because this has got nothing to do. This is not an operator, not an operand, so we will just disregard this. And now your operator stack contains only this multiplication. So now is addition. Addition stands here. This is a normal addition without any braces, so addition obviously has a lesser precedence than multiplication. So first we will need to push multiplication to this side, and now your postfix string looks like this, and then we will be pushing addition to this part, that is the operator stack. Finally we have the last operand, which is e, which is going to be pushed to the postfix string. And now we have to scan this part is over. Now the remaining symbol is this addition, and this addition is now pushed to the postfix string, and this is what your answer will look like. You can take a screenshot of it and do it again, and if you have any questions, please do ask me, and I hope this helped you. So thank you. Thanks for watching.